So we got a limb up over the driveway. Gonna be taking off this one here, this one here, and this one here. Getting them back from over the driveway and from over the car. The birds are handling their business over the car, so we're just gonna bring that back. So here we go. There's our pile there, and so I limb up to get it back over the driveway. And you gotta take this lower one here off, probably those two lower ones, that one and that one. I'm gonna take those two off and raise it up just a little bit, but yep, that'll be done this one and then on to the second one. Official finished product with a slight limb up going around. Ended up taking off 1, 2, and 3, and then just leveling her off. So no more damage on the car, no more birds pooping on it, and a slight limb up for clearance for cutting grass and things of that nature. One more piece to come off, and she's a done deal. This is the last cut right here. This stub, this one, last piece. And going to be making a path through here, and one through here, straight through. That's what we got today. This guy's in love with tree punk, and he would like to have tree punk redo these, bring these back out, that same color scheme. We now have her separated into 3. 1, 2, and 3. As they grow back, they'll fill in. But they wanted spacing in that hedge big enough to walk through. I'll say that's a success. Like a stepchild, we get our ass killed in public. Now that's wild.